to the last section of Chapter 7, sections 7.11 to 7.13. You'll learn about the periodic table, electron configuration rules, and some properties of alkali metals. All the elements known to us are organized through a periodic table. It is organized in columns by groups from 1A to 8A, and organized by rows from 1 through 7. The middle of the periodic table are the transition metals, and at the bottom two rows are the lanthanides and actinides. The elements in these two rows are called F transition elements. All elements of the periodic table are made of electrons. There are mainly two types of electrons: core electrons and valence electrons. Core electrons are those found in the inner orbitals, and valence electrons are those found in the outer orbitals. All elements have their own electron configuration. There are two rules when writing them. The Aufbau principle states that lower energy orbitals must be filled before higher energy orbitals are. Hund's rule states that each orbital in an energy level must have one electron before it can be completed with a second electron. Transition metal electron configurations always include a d orbital. However, there are some exceptions to writing their electron configurations. Whenever an element has a d9 or d4 electron configuration, they take one electron from their previous energy level and add it to the d orbital. The examples given are chromium and copper. Now, back to the periodic table, there are some common trends that you need to know. First of all, ionization energy and electronegativity increase as you go from left to right and from bottom to top in a periodic table. Atomic radii increases from top to bottom and from right to left. Finally, here are some alkali metal properties. These metals are the elements in group 1A, except for hydrogen. As you go down the group, the density increases while the boiling and melting point decreases. These elements also have a lower ionization energy and form ionic solids with nonmetals. Well, that's it. That's the end of Chapter 7. Hopefully now you've learned a lot more and you can do well on that test.